So guys, click to start and type services.msc. You can type only services and right click to run as administrator. Click on Windows and select audio and double click, select automatic, stop, then again start, then apply and OK. So suppose guys, this Windows audio service if disabled, so you have to select automatic and then click to start and then apply OK. So guys, related to Realtek audio issues, so check the install driver version. Okay, so right click to Windows icon, means start icon, go to device manager, extract sound video game controller, and then right click to update search automatically, and then close it. If it is not update, any of you showing some error, so right click to properties and then click to driver and then click rollback driver. If the device failed after updating the driver, roll back previously installed the driver. Okay, and then click it. Next guys, download latest driver of Realtek. Okay, so you can enter your motherboard, your system name, okay, and then type audio driver, so you can install easily. Okay, otherwise you have to suppose install latest version, so again go to device manager and then old driver you have to uninstall, right click to property, then device and then click to uninstall. Okay, uninstall, and then guys again click this one, scan and hardware changes. Okay, and then again it is show, so right click to update driver and then close it. Hi guys, created a restore point or automatically created a restore point, how to restore. So click to start and type restore, create restore point, create restore point. To click, you can type point, otherwise you create restore. So what is, then click to system restore, then next select this date, and you can check here to show all auto and manual, this is type. Okay, and then next and finish, and this is asking for the restart and then click it. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator, then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.